Hello folks, welcome to the TheCodeCloud. We are going to start a new tutorial series on Google Cloud Platform. This is going to be a part 1 in our Google Cloud Platform tutorial series. In this video, we'll talk about GCP, its services and resources, regions and zones, and we'll walk you through the console of Google Cloud. So let's talk about only GCP. Google Cloud is one of the top 3 cloud services provider after AWS and Azure. Google Cloud offers more than 200 plus services. Google has a global network of 35 regions and 106 availability zones, and they are keep adding further. Google Cloud offers its services in more than 200 countries and territories worldwide to its customers. Google recently launches GCP regions in Milan in Italy, in Paris in France, in Madrid in Spain, in Columbus in Ohio, and in Dallas in Texas. GCP also broken ground on data centers in Columbus, Ohio, and Omaha and Nebraska. This entire series is all about GCP. We'll learn about compute engine, app engine, Kubernetes engine, storage, and many more. Let's talk about regions and zones in GCP. Google has a global network of 35 regions and 106 availability zones as of now. Google Cloud has 176 CDN locations and spans across 200 plus countries. You can see region locations in these two URLs. If I walk you through on these two URLs, let me show you. In our first URL, that is economize.google, we can see the region ID, and what machine types offers within that region. And inside cloud.google.com about locations, we can see there are 35 regions as of now, 106 zones, 176 network edge locations, and you can see these are coming shown. So Google Cloud is emerging day by day, expanding its regions, its services. So what is a region? Region is nothing but a spatial geographic location to host your GCP resources. Now, next question comes in our mind. Why do we need a region or zone? Basically, we need more than two regions. Basically, as you know, GCP offers its services in more than 35 regions. But we are not going to host our website in all the regions. Let's suppose I'm going to build a website across 3 countries. Let's suppose Delhi, UK, and US, and I'm going to host my website in Delhi region only. If we are having our website in a single region, so there would be like, if there's something wrong with the region, so we have to host our website in another region. We can host either in Mumbai or in UK London to have high availability on our website. Low latency. What is latency? Basically, latency is nothing but our website. We are suppose we are going to visit a website and there is a lag, like if we are going from one page to two page, it is taking more time, so it's latency. There is a high latency over there. If you are trying to reach a website and it is taking more time loading a single page, loading a home page, so there is a high latency, and nobody wants their website has high latency. If we are having a website in in 3 countries like Delhi, UK, and US, so we should have our website running in nearest region where our user resides in order to have low latency. Global reachability. So if we have site and we want to reach globally, so we no need to make a data center in other country. We just have to use any cloud providers like GCP and host our website in London region or in US region. Adhere to government regulations. There are some government regulations, like in US we cannot host our website in India and have the data of their residents. We should have to host our website in their country in order to have their residents data on our website. What is this zone? Zone is nothing but a data center of GCP where all physical servers resources are running. There are mostly more than three at least of zones in each regions. The zones in a region are connected through low latency links. They are not using simple internet. Why do we need a zone? Basically, we need a zone if we want to achieve high availability within a single region. We can host our website across two zones in order to achieve high availability. It is going to be fault tolerant. How? If something goes wrong with a zone, so our application is up and running with alternate zone. Let me walk you through in the GCP console. So folks, this is a home page of Google Cloud Console. You can see all the services provided by GCP here, which is IAM, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine, Google Cloud Storage, VPC Network, and many more. When I started GCP, there were only few services. Those were major services you can see here. But GCP is adding new services on big data and Kubernetes and many more. So we'll learn these Google Cloud services in our upcoming videos. We'll have a separate video in each Google Cloud services like IAM, Compute Engine, Kubernetes Engine. So stay tuned. Thank you.